Okay, Kima.
Yes.
Puff and puff, high rise. I don't know what's so high about it, but we're gonna try it again. We tried this a month or two ago at Harrah's. Got destroyed. Well, now they have it here at our closest casino, Suboba. We're gonna try it again.
It costs how much? $5. Oh,
That's too much for me.
$1.
Yeah, let's do pennies.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can go all the way up, okay?
Yeah.
Start at pennies, right?
Yeah.
We only got 50 bucks.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Come on,
We were
bonus.
so excited when this first came out to go
Yes.
play it,
Come on.
and it beat us up so bad we never wanted to play it again. But we all know how Huff and Puff is. Boom! It helped.
Top, 3. Everything, one more.
Wow, but it did help. You got all the corporate picks. $40.50. All right. All right, thank you, corporate pig. All right, let's see if we can get some hats. Hats.
Bonus, please, 6 hats. Come on now. 4 more.
Since we won a little, let's go to $2. See if
Come
we
on,
can do
bonus.
that again.
Yes.
There's a little bit of Harold in your life. A little bit of Harold in your life.
Come on. Bonus, please.
More Harold. Not enough. Come on, we need another one of those babooms.
3 more, 4 more. Come on, bonus.
Wow, the hats are coming slow. Oh, green kid, all the way across.
Come on, bonus.
Oh,
Did it. Give it a
boom!
bonus.
Yes, you got it.
4.
Thank you. All right, Kima, now's your chance to show me this game doesn't suck.
Bonus. Come on, open up, please. Come down. Yes. Come on. Yes.
All right, we need mansions. We got one wood. We need some mansions.
6 head. 6 head. 6 head. 6. One more.
Oh,
6 head. 6.
where are they? Oh no, they're way up there.
6 head. 6.
One more.
6. One more.
Oh, you jerk. A lot of grass. Sticks and seeds. No wood, nothing. This is not going to be good. Unless, nope.
No, board.
3 wood. Wood can have coins, but we can only hope. We've gotten miners in the wood hat before.
Come on. $50 minor. Whoopee.
Here he is, your best friend,
Good boy. Come on.
when he's nice to us. All right, a whole lot of dollars.
Minor, please.
$12.50. All coins. All right. Not a complete waste, but $27.50. We'll take it, Wolfie. But next time, some mansions, please. What do you think? Gonna keep going?
Yeah.
Why not? We've turned 50 into 97. Do it again.
Just come. Pow. Come on, please. 3 more.
You're gonna. Oh, you're gonna stay. Yeah, you're gonna stay at 90 at $2. I mean.
Yeah.
I think so too. Unless
3 more.
we
Sometimes
stop
10.
getting
Yes,
beat up.
yes. Come on, please. Special.
Oh, that's like a buzzsaw hat.
Yes, I like to see this. Basai.
Me too.
Come on, please.
I want to see any bonus. Green kid, where'd you go?
Come on, bonus.
All right, I'm ready for another bomb.
Here. 3 more.
We're getting beat up. Come on. Pow. We need that guy with the dynamite. Do it again. Did we get it?
Yes.
No, not enough
It's a
hats.
while.
Right, not
Just
enough
let it-
hats. Only $6. That wasn't very good, Wolfie, but you can do better, I know. Maybe next time. Maybe we should bet more. Maybe we're not winning because we don't bet enough.
Come on, bonus. Three more.
I don't think that was a good idea, but
Three more. I like to see this myself.
me too. We're back to even again.
Come on, bonus.
We'll stay with the $2 bet, I think.
Come on,
I had to try.
Yes.
We don't win much at these little bets, so.
Three more.
All right, boom.
Bonus.
No, yeah, you did. Thank you. Why it didn't happen at $3?
Come on, three hats. Six
Lot of hats.
Hat.
Only one.
Come on, Wolfie, please.
What's
Six
it take
hat.
to get a mansion in this game?
Six.
Look at them, they're all up there. So we need to blow it up. All right.
Come on, six hat. This time, six.
We need a bomb to get those other ones to turn to wood.
Six. Come on, six.
Oh, no, they're all up top.
Six hat.
Really? Sticks and seeds again?
Hold that. Thank you.
Well, you asked for 6.
Yeah, give me
You
six.
got it. I wish it gave you another bonus, but
Come on.
gave you another spin, and we got a mansion.
Come on, mansion, another mansion.
All right, we got a mansion.
Three hat.
They gave you 6,
Three hat.
and they gave you no more. Oh, one more. All right, 1 mansion, 3 wood, and a bunch of grass.
Come on, Wolfie.
Roll it if you got them.
Major, mine now, please.
But that 1 mansion could save your life, and we need it.
Come on, Wolfie. You can do it.
Ahoo! Whole bunch of dollars. 11 of them.
Come on, Wolfie. Big one.
Coin.
Big one.
Many
two
times 2. $20. All right. Better than the last time, and we got 100 again. Well, 90. But we're all right.
Dancer, piggy, dancer. Come on.
These pigs I like. Okay, what are we gonna do now?
Do it again?
Why not?
Yeah.
Till we get a buzzsaw or something, we gotta keep going.
Massa. Special. Come on, three more.
It's being a little bit nice to you this game, so
Come on.
maybe we'll get a decent bonus
Come on,
before it
bonus.
takes
Yes.
all our money and sends us home.
Come on. Come on here, boom. Massa. Special. How? Three more.
2 boxes. Got a lot of them though. $32 worth. You're over 100 now. We're going the right way.
Do it again.
Yeah,
Come on.
we're never gonna stop.
Bonus. Three more.
I want to know what that is.
Yes.
It's just an arrow. It goes different ways and fills up the row, I think. Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah, we saw it on one of
Yeah.
your friends on YouTube.
Come on.
Shinobi, I think. Or
Come
DG,
on.
or somebody played it.
Come on, bonus, please.
Oh, that silver one came down.
Come
You
on,
would have
come
had
on.
it. Get the
How?
silver one, yeah. Well, it's more fun than it was the first time we played it.
Yeah.
Because it's not just
Come on,
sending
bonus.
us home crying, but it might still.
Never do know.
I
Come on,
thought
bonus.
you did all this time. You don't know neither?
I don't know neither. Never do know.
All right.
Come
Well,
on, piggy now.
it's time for another bonus, I think.
more.
Oh,
Three more, please.
come on, honey.
I just not like a bet.
All right.
Piggy,
$1 for
Wolfie.
that. Only $1.
Come on, bonus. Pow.
All right, we got to stop the bleeding. Go to a lower bet for a minute,
Come
and
on,
we'll go
yeah.
back. Maybe you'll get a bonus.
Come on, pow.
They keep bringing us back to 50 and then giving us a little.
Come on. Bonus.
Oh boy. This time, I don't know if it'll bring us back.
Come on, please, back. 3 more.
Get it. Boy, these line hits don't pay much.
3 more.
Come on, where's that silver hat?
Come on, bonus.
All right, we're down again.
Come on, bonus. How?
Come on, Huff and Puff, don't make me hate you.
Not
I'm
bad.
starting to hate him.
Come on, back.
You got another player's card? I know you do. Let's try that. Sometimes it works. I don't know why, but it seems to.
Come on, bonus.
We're running out of money though. Nothing. Oh,
Nothing.
tape. We would have got those almost. Oh, I hate wasting those bombs on nothing.
Come on.
Go back to where we were winning.
Come on, bonus, please. How?
Uh-oh. We're in big trouble. $17 left for the day.
Come on.
And I don't see any silver hats. Okay.
Rock right.
Harold.
3.
And no bonus, but you got a lot of Harolds for $16. Well, it'll keep us going for a minute.
Yes. Do it.
Oh, yeah.
How?
Nope, nothing. That was a waste of a silver hat.
Come on, bonus. Come on now. How? Come on, Piggy Woody. Come on, bang.
Come on, Bong. Hey, Harold.
How? How?
More Harolds. But a lot of Harolds. $48.
Oh,
Shoo. Got your money back. Well, a little bit of it, yeah.
come
We
on.
started at 50, so
Come on, how?
this $2 penny bet seems like the one, but it's just not
Come
giving
on.
us any money. But it's not taking it all either,
Come on,
so
bonus.
I don't know.
Show you two together.
Silver hats.
Come on, how?
Those seem to work the best. All right, honey. We got some Van Halen on the radio here at Saboba Casino, and we're going to try a little more Huff and Puff High Rise. This game has totally destroyed my faith in Wolfie, but
2 cents.
yeah, $5 for nickels is too much, but $2 you can handle.
Come on,
Can it
bonus.
handle us? Oh,
Come on, how?
we want that little silver hat. Makes them blow up a couple of rows, and
Come on, Piggy.
this is not the game I would have picked with our last 100 for the day, but all right, you did it, you did it. Oh, every time I complain, you get a bonus. Can we get a big bonus though? That's the question.
Yes. Come on, more. Come on, 3 more. 4 more.
All right, 3 hats is good.
Please. You check it. 3 hat.
Break a couple more screens there.
3
Silver
hat, please.
hats.
3 hat.
All right, Harold. Come on, Harold.
6 hat, please. 3 hat.
Oh,
Wow,
game.
no hat. Come on, what's wrong?
I'm telling you, this game hates us. Look at this. Unbelievable.
1 more.
Well, you got gold mansions. I don't know how that happened, but
Come on.
2
Minus.
mansions can save your life. 1 can save your life.
Come on, Wolfie.
There he is. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf?
Come on, Mazer.
terrible, but we'll take $37. Got our money back, right? All right, next time, make it a little bigger. I wish we could play the $5 nickels, but we can't. That's all the money we got left for the day.
Come on, bonus.
We could do pennies at a $2 bet, or even 3.
Come on. Come on, Wolfie. You good, my friend. Come on now.
You heard her, Wolfie. That's what you call easy come, easy go. All right, corporate pig. $10. All right.
Come on. How?
We never saw what that green hat does
Yes.
yet. I think it's only important in a bonus, though.
Pasanos, I think.
In the bonus.
Come on, pasa.
I don't think there is a buzzsaw bonus in this one, but I don't know.
Come on, bonus.
Let's try pennies. Okay?
Okay. Come on. Bonus, please. 4 more. Wow. How?
Nothing good.
Only one.
Come
Come
on,
on,
Wolfie.
Come on, bonus. Come on, please.
Oh, man.
Pennies, no, nothing.
I didn't win nothing 2 cents either, so. We could go play a good machine.
Come on. How?
I do not like Huff and Puff anymore.
No, not. Wow. Come
We're
on,
gonna
please.
stop in one more spin. All right, honey, you want to try a little more of this ultimate fire length triple nova. The balls are kind of small, but if you like small balls, this is your machine.
2 pennies.
75 cents.
Okay.
All right, that's what I like, until the balls get bigger. And if you get a bonus, okay,
Come on, bonus.
throw those balls. Fireballs.
Come on, bonus.
They're not growing. Yeah, there you go. A little bit anyway. Come on, honey. You can do it.
Come on, bonus.
All right. Wow, you did it. All right.
There you go, you're in there.
Went up with the bet a little bit and it popped. These 3 all look ready. All right, Kima.
Come on,
Got a mini. See, you got a mini. Oh, big one. What happened? This one's the hot zone. No, there's no shower. Hot zone. What? Oh, it just, if it hits one, it gives it a boost. All right, we need to break some glass. You got one more spin. You got to get another one.
Come on, simple
over. It landed up there. Well, that wasn't great, but it was better than nothing. At least we got that $15 mini. 29 bucks. What are you looking at? Oh, they're all small. Now I'm really a little bit nervous about playing this machine. No, you got that one. Maybe we can get a triple pop, all from small. All right, we made money. The neighbor got 4. She's gonna get a triple pop. All right.
Good.
Or a double anyway. You ready? Okay, Kima. We're gonna try this machine for the last time, I think. Ultimate Fire Link Triple Nova. We just haven't been able to hit it since the first time we tried it.
Nickel, all right?
$1.50? That's wonderful. Our man just left. He told us he put 40 bucks in and didn't get nothing, so we got 50. Hopefully we can get something. We got a delicious Diet Coke here. You need some cola, Kima?
No, thank you.
All right.
Come on, bonus, please.
Come on, Ultimate Fire Link. Live up to your name.
Come on, bonus. Come on, bonus.
Isn't that something? Go up with the bet and you get it. I hope we get something. This is the Meteor shower. All right, this is the one you like.
Come on, 6. Ha, ha,
Did you say it was snowing?
ha. Come on.
First time Kima thought it was snowing. All right, just keep saving it.
Shower in the snow.
And some progressives. Where's the progressives? 4 more to get 100 nickels. All right, 1 more. You got it. All right, going to the top, honey. Look at the top. 800 and 400. You did it. All right, now we're talking. Get some words.
Thank you.
Finally, this machine woke up again for us.
Come on, shower. Shower, shower, pow.
Uh-oh. 2 more chances. I'm not done. You gotta give us more.
Pow.
All right. All right.
Simple, pow. Come on. Pow. Thank you so much.
This is a pretty good win, I think.
Simple, pow. Wait. Shower.
Uh-oh. 2 more chances. You can do it. Your Kimaslots.
Come on, shower.
All right.
Big one, shower. Wait.
I need some progressives to show
Thank
up.
you so much.
It's not like the old game at all.
Shower.
You always get minis and minors in that one. And majors. All right. 2 more. She's doing all her voodoo stuff.
Come on, shower, please. Pow, pow, pow.
All right. Last chance. You can do it.
Hamana.
Hamana. Pow.
Pow. Simple, one.
Don't quit. Oh, anyway, I think you won some money. That top line is a beauty. 1,200, 60 bucks right there. All right, you picked the right machine. I'll give you your chair back if you want it. That's a lot of nickels, Kima.
Yes.
All right. How much is 3,000 nickels? $150? That's not enough, but it's something anyway. You think you can get that other one? Or you want to get out of here? We'll do a little bit of backup, so we're not giving it all back. All right. Can you hit the button for me? All right, $149. That's better than a kick in the butt.
You like to do today? No, baby.
I don't want to do $3 now, I'm afraid. Do this one, okay? You ready?
Yes.
Let's see if we can pop that. Oh, good first spin. Great first spin.
Come on.
Funny, we couldn't make that one work. Oh, they didn't change the knobs.
Come on. Please, get it?
No, but they got bigger.
Come on.
Wow, they look like they're gonna pop.
Come on. Bonus, please. Yesterday, what do you think?
We can give it a little more. How much have we lost so far?
$10.
All right, we're okay. Let's try a big bet again, huh? That didn't work. Come on.
You do pennies, sir?
Whatever you want, but we're leaving it in $5, so
Okay, not today.
Yeah.
Even more.
don't go doing extra work for nothing.
Come on.
One more spin.
Come on, do it.
Oh. And we didn't get it. All right, if you like Kima's videos,
Please like, subscribe.
please like and subscribe, and we'll see you all in a bit.